Today we're going to be looking at this Redragon keyboard. It's a little bit shorter than most keyboards. It's got 100 keys in total. It's RGB. It's also mechanical, and it's got 3 modes of connectivity, so you can use it via USB, via a wireless dongle, or Bluetooth. This Redragon keyboard is a versatile and stylish choice for gamers and professionals. It features a tri-mode connection for USB, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless. The keyboard is a compact 90% keyboard with 100 keys in total. It's also got custom purple switches for a clear tactile feel. The keyboard also boasts an upgraded hot-swappable socket, noise dampening foam, and translucent hyper blue design. With a robust 3000 mAh battery, pro software support for customizable modes and macros, and compatibility with both Windows and Mac OS, this keyboard combines performance, aesthetics, and convenience in one sleek package. The packaging of this wireless hot-swappable mechanical keyboard stands out with its clean, modern design. Dominated by a white colour scheme with striking red and black accents, it conveys a sense of elegance and boldness. The front features a prominent glossy image of the keyboard highlighting its key features, wireless connectivity, hot swappability, and RGB lighting. On the back, additional glossy images detail the main features alongside a multilingual feature list. Inside the box, the keyboard is securely wrapped in a plastic bag and cushioned by foam ends for protection. Included accessories includes a user manual, a sheet of stickers, a versatile 1.5 meter long USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable with a built-in Velcro tidy for organisation. The package also includes a 2-in-1 cap and switch remover tool for customization, along with 8 extra switches for future needs. The keyboard's bottom is thoughtfully designed for stability and convenience. It features 5 anti-slip feet directly on the base, ensuring a firm grip on any surface. Additionally, it has 2 two-step adjustable feet, each outfitted with anti-slip material providing both elevation and stability. For wireless connectivity, the Wi-Fi adapter is neatly housed on the bottom. Towards the rear there is a practical USB Type-C connection allowing for easy charging or wired use. The keyboard's front, back and sides feature a translucent design, elegantly allowing the RGB lighting effects to shine through, if you can see them, enhancing its visual appeal. The sides are otherwise plain, maintaining a sleek look, with the exception of a practical switch on the left side. This switch allows you to change between Bluetooth, wireless, and off, which also doubles up as a USB mode. The top design of the keyboard incorporates both style and functionality. On the top left, the Redragon logo adds a touch of brand identity. Nearby, red LED charger lights are present, providing a clear indication of battery level. Contrary to what is shown on the box, the phrase "ready for battle" is not actually printed on the keyboard. The keycaps themselves are not transparent. They feature a unique colour gradient starting with sort of a baby blue at the top row and gradually darkening towards the bottom row, seamlessly blending in with the keyboard's overall aesthetic. The keys are marked with white lettering, and the RGB lighting creates a subtle glow around the edges of the keys. While the RGB isn't the brightest, it offers plenty of effect options, adjustability directly on the keyboard or through software. When typing, we notice you don't get an echo or rattle. While it's not quiet, the key presses sound crisp, and this is possibly due to the added noise dampening foam inside the keyboard. An additional design feature is the LED lights between the main keyboard section and the number pad, which visually indicates the status of caps, scroll and numlock. The keyboard offers a high degree of customization. The included tool allows for easy removal of keycaps. Additionally, the same tool can be used to swap out switches, catering for preferences for different types like red switches. However, it's worth noting that removing the keys can be more challenging compared to other keyboards. In some cases, the switches may also come out when attempting to remove the keycaps, indicating a need for careful handling during customization. Okay, so we're going to do a sound test. We've got the microphone here, which is exactly 20 centimeters away from the top row of keys. My voice might sound a little bit different because obviously the microphone is quite far away from me. First of all, we're going to test it against a traditional office keyboard. This will be like something you would have at home at some point or an office, sort of a value range. So let's just do a quick type on here. So QWERTY first, enter key, spacebar, and a few words. Okay, over to the Redragon keyboard. So we're going to do the QWERTY keys first. Enter, spacebar, left shift, tab, and 1 through 0. And a quick sentence. In conclusion, while this keyboard may not boast the brightest RGB lighting, its combination of elegant design, customizable features, and user-friendly functionalities make it a strong contender in the market. For those who prefer a more understated look or find the keyboard more aesthetically pleasing without the emphasis on RGB lighting, this model is an excellent choice. It strikes a fine balance between practicality and personalization, making it a solid option for both everyday use and tech enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.